Hello everyone. The context of this video is what I've learned from chapter 13, the personal protective equipment. In the construction industry, personal protective equipment or PPE is very important. I've learned that PPE keeps workers safe from injuries and health risks. It includes stuff like hard hats, gloves, goggles, and boots. One big lesson I've learned is that wearing PPE is must, not a choice. It's not just about rules, it's about looking out for each other. If someone doesn't wear PPE, they're not just risking their own safety but also the safety of the others. Another thing I've learned is that the different jobs need different PPE. For example, if you're working with chemicals, you'll need protective clothing and goggles. If you're working with heavy stuff, a hard hat is essential to protect your head. Knowing how to use PPE correctly is crucial too. I learned that wearing gloves won't help if you don't know how to handle chemicals safely. So training on PPE is as important as wearing it. Lastly, I've realized that taking care of PPE is part of the job. If your equipment is damaged or worn out, it won't protect you properly. So checking and maintaining PPE regularly is a must do. Overall, learning about PPE in the construction industry taught me that safety comes first, and it's everyone's responsibility to make sure we all stay we all stay safe on the job.